This is Seneca and Marlo's baking show, but Marlo's not here, she's watching on the couch. And we're gonna make strawberry pancakes. We're using brown sugar, flour, almond milk, and strawberries, and 1 egg in a bowl. First we pour the flour in, 1 cup of flour. Now a little pinch of sugar.
Okay.
One cup of milk. Now the strawberries. Mix it! I like mixing. This is my special mixer friend. I should put in the oil.
Yeah.
Another one. Here's your pancakes, but Daddy kind of burned them, but they still look delicious. At last,